The topic of energy sustainability is heavily debated in the world today. As resources such as fossil fuels are being used faster than we can even mine them out of the ground, we must find an alternate source of energy that can maintain our current electricity use. One very viable option is nuclear power. There's a lot of misconceptions about nuclear power, and I don't want to influence you either way on what side to be on, but I just simply want to present the facts. Currently, nuclear power is being used in over 30 countries today. A nuclear power plant is powered by uranium, enriched uranium to be exact. Uranium is a natural element. It comes right up from the earth. It has to be mined, and it's very abundant worldwide. It has to go through many processes also in order to be used in an actual power plant, but it's not as expensive as some of the other energy sources that we use today. A lot of nuclear power plants are synonymous with the huge smoke towers that are emitting some kind of white gas into the environment. A lot of people that do not know anything about it think that it's some type of radioactive gas or radiation being released into the atmosphere. It's just simply not the case. The white smoke that you see coming out of the cooling tower, to be exact, is simply water vapor or steam. It has little or no effect on the environment, and it's actually one of the safest energy sources we have. And also, power plants are very highly regulated. They are regulated by the National Nuclear Regulatory Commission, or the NRC. While nuclear power is one of the safest energy sources environmentally, nuclear power also has the greatest chance for catastrophe. In our history, disasters such as 3 Mile Island, Chernobyl, and most recently Fukushima in Japan have proved that despite the long safety record that a lot of the nuclear power industry has, there's still a huge chance for catastrophe. Another major issue with nuclear power is that after a certain amount of time, a nuclear power plant produces nuclear waste, and we have nowhere to put the waste. No one has come up with a viable solution to dispose of it, and that is a huge problem environmentally and economically as well, because we have to find some way to get rid of it, and we haven't found any way yet. Nuclear energy has many upsides, but the consequences are very, very close to outweighing that. The biggest question is, do the positives outweigh the negatives? We don't know. The nuclear community has a strong standing and safety for the public and the environment, but the word nuclear just sends people into a frenzy. Most people are just not educated about how the nuclear industry operates, and that leads to many misconceptions and fears about it. Nuclear power could become a world-leading energy source if it is continually developed and understood.